My name is Rodney. I'm from Santa Monica, California, and I work for Chrome Hearts. Today I'm driving my 1972 two-wheel drive Blazer. I just recently picked it up in June. So far to the Blazer, we just did a suspension, Aldan suspension. I re-geared the rear end. Shout out to Chris over at American Racing for hooking me up with these wheels. Still got to do a few more things. I'm probably thinking about adding the trim, putting the stereo in. I also have a 1966 C10. I have a 1937 Chevy Coupe rumble seat, and I have a 1937 Chevy pickup. What got me into cars was my father and his friends, from lowriders to customs, hot rods, growing up around cars. My friends in the car scene that I really look up to is like Wolf, Eddie, XXL 250, John Oro, a bunch of the C10 guys, truck guys. And then I have other friends I look up to in the lowrider scene, like Rudy, Joe Epstein. Just like being around car people.